Today, I'm going to tell you how to create your aura. But first, do people talk about you when you're not in the room? Do they respect you, even in your absence? Or are you invisible, even when you're present? Real aura is not about clothes, not about money, not about looks. Real aura is when your presence changes the atmosphere. When people think twice before disrespecting you. When the same people who once ignored you start watching you. But here's the real question. Why don't you have it yet? Why don't people value you? Why don't they listen carefully when you speak? Why don't they give you attention? The reason is deep and uncomfortable. If you want respect, you must first respect yourself. What is your opinion about yourself inside your own mind? What image do you carry about yourself internally? Because your face is a display board of your thoughts. Your face is a mirror of your mind. People can sense fear. They can sense insecurity. They can sense low confidence, even when you say nothing. Every thought you repeatedly think creates your internal identity. And your identity controls your body language, your voice, your eye contact, your energy. If you feel weak inside, it screams from your face. Now imagine this. Instead of fear, your face carries calm dominance. Instead of doubt, your eyes carry certainty. Imagine people thinking twice before mocking you. Imagine the same people who laughed at you now respecting you. Is it possible? Yes, but only one method works. You must change your inner identity. And the weapon is self-talk. The negative image you built about yourself was not created in one day. It was built by thousands of repeated negative thoughts. So to destroy it, you must reverse the formula. Every morning tell yourself, I am powerful. I am confident. I am intelligent. I am valuable. I deserve respect. At first, it will feel fake. Good. That means change has started. Your brain believes what you repeat. After 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, the old identity starts breaking. A new self-image begins forming. And when that new version of you walks into a room, people feel it. If you don't see yourself as a lion, why would anyone else? The world sees you the way you see yourself. Change your internal opinion, and your aura will change automatically. This isn't motivation. This is psychology. Apply it, and watch everything. Good luck. See you in the next video.